Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Remitly to Nepal. First, you have to log into your Remitly account. The process in the both platform, the Remitly website and the mobile application are same. You just need to follow the step-by-step guide from this video. From here, you just need to select the destination. Just click on this drop down and search for Nepal, and you will find Nepal from here. After click on it, you will find that your account status will change to Nepal. Here you can see. Then in this exchange rate, here you can see the best rate here, and you are seeing that you are sending money to Nepal. Simply click on send money here at this button, and then from this page you can just enter the amount that you want to send to Nepal, and it will convert automatically that the amount they will receive. And now select the delivery method. Then you can select bank deposit, mobile money, or cash pickup. You can select one of these according to your needs, and you can have the banks. You can see there are more than 60 bank accounts and available in Nepal, and also there are some mobile money e-wallet method. Also you can use cash pickup here. For this you just need to need additional $3.99 extra charge. Then you just need to select payment method. From here you can pay with your debit card, your credit card, or your bank account. Your debit card, credit card will transfer the money in 25 minutes, and your bank account will require 3 to 6 days. Then after selecting the payment method, click on continue. Now select the bank account that you want to send money to, and for example I'm going to select this bank account from here. Then you have to enter the account number of your recipient. Make sure that you have entered the account number correctly, and the bank details is correctly entered here, and simply click on continue. Then after that you just need to enter some personal details of your recipients, and then you have to enter the sender's details. That's when your details, your personal details, your payment details, and other information. Make sure that all the details are perfectly matched with your Remitly information. So after completing the process, you need to give the confirmation for this transfer, and then you and the recipient both will get a receipt about this transfer. That's all. Hope you got this video. If so, then give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.